situation of the reproductive tract inside your cow. Maybe your cow is suffering from cystic ovary. Maybe your cow was not able to recover from the stress during calving, and the reproductive tract is being affected. So periodically you request a PDO, or you have to train on ovarian lactation, and of course regular mineral supplementation. Mineral supplementation like calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, copper, selenium, and trace minerals. If you look at the label, I'm not a veterinarian, just read the label of selenium drug. It avoids retained placenta. It avoids prolapse. And what is the second common death of dairy cows? Retained placenta and prolapse. Why? Because the farmers doesn't care to give a dose of selenium. And you know how much selenium is? It's only 12 pesos per ml. And you only need 3 ml to inject to your cow. That will solve the retained placenta before, inject the cow before calving with selenium and vitamin E. And that will only cost you 12 to 15 pesos. Selenium, copper, phosphorus, magnesium. Ang problema, where can we buy all these minerals? I went to New Zealand last December 26 to January. I was really amazed looking at these dairy farmers with a dosotron dispenser in the building shed. There is a dosotron dispenser in his arm. Every day they put in magnesium, they put in calcium, they put in copper and selenium. Then this dispenser has a small hose going to the drinking